Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Jem Myers made her debut on the #1 trending party Fame Frequency on Saturday night. This as Fame Frequency presented their first in a series of Reggae Month events. Now, the old school party held on Bob Marley's birthday paid homage to the icon and took fans down memory lane with some of the best and most iconic music from the 70s to the 80s, led of course by the Captain Colin Hines, DJ Narity and Donovan Dakers. The event delivered even more as renowned songstress Jem Myers was the special guest artist. She delivered a medley of hits and her crossover success, of course, I Am a One-Man Girl. The songstress spoke to the cancellation of her own shows and her pleasure in having Reggae Month celebrations going ahead.
Just as you are wondering, I am too. Last year we were all set to go, all systems were set to go, and then it just went down. But we are working at it, and very soon, I hope I can tell people something. But they're going to see me next week again with the Java show. Java having their own thing, 2 nights worth of Java for Reggae Month, and I am on that too. So please look out for that. And we have to follow the protocols and follow everything, and so that we can get back things on stream quickly. As I said, I don't like the virtual thing because I miss the people, because that is what really drives you when you're performing. But keeping the reggae month alive is a good idea, because reggae has taken Jamaica to the world. It's not the other way around as some people think. Reggae has taken Jamaica to the world, and we should, even for ourselves, we should keep that going. So I'm glad we kept it going, even though it's virtual.
Now look out, as Fame Frequency has other special guest artists all month long as the series celebrate Reggae Month in partnership with the Ministry of Culture and Entertainment, the Ministry of Tourism, Tropical Rhythms and Smirnoff. This weekend, Fame Frequency goes 90s Jamaican music. Can't wait. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.
We have it live. Days, weeks, months and years. It's never too late. It's all in one spot.